What's up, YouTube friends and family? Welcome back. So today I have Enailcouture Canada in the house. I got myself a little mystery box boo. I'm also doing a pop-up giveaway for one of my most active subscribers, and I'm also going to be doing my friend's nails and swatching of some products today. If you're in Canada, Enailcouture Canada has a badass sale right now where they have stuff like up to 50% off. So this tin and that fabric bag that I just showed you guys in the beginning is part of my mystery box that they sent, because I didn't actually purchase these things. I purchased a mystery box and a couple of things on the side. So I love the saying in here, it's super sweet. These Halloween stickers are actually super cute. The teddy bears I really like. So anything that I have extra, I'm actually putting aside for the next giveaway. So these transfer foils I actually already have, so I'll be putting these aside. And the other box that they sent me actually I have as well, so I'll be putting these aside as well for the next giveaway that I do. They sent 3 polishes. 2 are from Precious Minerals and one's Fun Gel. I'm going to swatch all 3 of these. I think one's a cat eye polish, one's like a leafy, this one's like a gunmetal gray, super pretty. So after I get through everything, then I'll do the swatches and show you what everything looks like up close and personal. So I got some Sugar Glitter Pink Coffin 123 Go Soft Gel Nail Extensions in my mystery box as well. And they also sent this Candy Jelly in Princess Pink, which I already have. It's pretty much at the end of its rope, so I'll probably just keep this. I had to look to make sure. And then they sent me the Scoffle Cream Gel, which I've never tried before, and this is in vanilla, so I can't wait to try that out. They also sent me this manicure drill bit set in my mystery box as well. So now I'm getting into the items that I personally purchased. This is a time for a storyline collection. It's a 6-piece collection. I'm gonna swatch all these up close and personal. Baby Love I actually had gotten a long time ago, and one of my co-workers, I showed it to her and she like bumped it from underneath and dumped half of it on the floor, and it was like, oh, I'm sorry. I'm just like looking at her like, girl. So now I have another one, it's all good. But yeah, I'm gonna swatch all these up close and personal. I also got this, and I guess I clicked the wrong one, but I thought that it came with the attachments, the files too, but it didn't. So my bad on that. I do actually have some, but they're not from Enailcouture, they're from Ali. But yeah, you don't have to like get the exact same ones. There's reusable sticker ones that you can get like pretty much anywhere, even on Amazon, I'm pretty sure. They sent me this Diamond Prep drill bit. I'm gonna sanitize all these before I use them. And this is actually an acrylic brush, which I've never even seen on the website, and I was super excited to get it. I wish it was pink, but I'm happy nonetheless. I'm not sure what size it is. It looks kind of bigger. It could be a size 12. So literally when I open this to smell it, I'm expecting to smell the sweet smell of the cotton candy cuticle oil that I have had from before. No, this smells like I'm in the dentist chair about to get my teeth cleaned with their toothpaste. It smells like their bubblegum toothpaste, so I don't like it at all. Girl, let me tell you about this Bambino acrylic powder, okay? I'm obsessed. I think I got it in one of my first mystery boxes that I ever got, and I fell in love with it. It's never been on the website as long as I've been with Enail, and I'm very grateful that I received it again in this big size in my mystery box. Super grateful. These are the beautiful glitter time for a storyline collection. They are so pretty. Like, girl, I wish that the sun hit my patio so you could really see, like, oh, they're so pretty. Anyways, I recommend this collection. Super gorgeous. I love them all. I don't have any favorite. And these are the gel polishes. The one on the far left is the cat eye polish. The one in the middle is the gunmetal gray, and then the one at the end is kind of like a jelly. Okay, so first of all, let's get into this stinking cute packaging. I just can't get over it. I'm obsessed with it. So this is the pop-up giveaway to one of my most active subscribers. I announced the pop-up giveaway would be happening this weekend on my Instagram, so if you're not following me on my Instagram, make sure you do so you'd get all the sneak peeks, all the things that I don't post on YouTube all the time. So don't want to miss out on any giveaways or anything like that, which I always post on my Instagram first. So this is everything you'll get in the box to the lucky winner. And I'm just really grateful, and it's my way of giving back. So the winner of this giveaway is Cutie Nails. So Cutie Nails, get at me, girl, on Instagram so I can get all your info. So this is my friend here. These are her nails that I did over a month ago. So with this set, I really rushed it. I didn't do a really good prep on her. I didn't usually do my usual steps that I usually do on her. So most likely, I'm thinking these nails will probably come off. If they do, and I told her if they do, just to come back, we'll do an extensive prep work on her, what she needs, because her nails, they're just those nails. The cuticles grow down the nail. She needs cuticle nippers, cuticle scissors, 3 or 4 different drill bits, like, you know what I mean? Like some of my friends, I don't have to do such extensive prep work on, but this friend in particular needs that extra attention. Do you know what I'm saying, girl? So I'm gonna get into the set. I'm only gonna show one side. I do the same thing on both sides, but I'm only gonna show one side, and I'll be back to show you the final look. So here is the final look of her nails. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Also let me know what you guys think of the pop-up giveaways if you like that idea. I'm also going to do like regular giveaways where I enter everyone's name, who enters correctly, who's subscribed. I thought it was a good, fun idea, but let me know what you guys think down below. And congratulations to Cutie Nails for winning this pop-up giveaway. I appreciate each and every one of you. I definitely had fun making this box and I look forward to doing future giveaways. Shout out to all my beautiful, amazing supporters and subscribers. Until next time, be kind to everyone, including yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.